Boggy center is varying. That is, the boggy center itself is varying from -20 to +25 mm. Coach to coach. And jackpot location is varying -55 to 60 mm. So that's almost 115 mm variation between two coaches. Overall variation goes around 400 mm. How do we incorporate it in our system, be it us or any other manufacturer? That's the major challenge. So this was just to give you the overview. One of the solutions that we brought for this DTC and non-DTC coaches is to bring it can rotate 360 degrees, which can handle angular loads. So even if jackpot is, instead of being here, it's here, it can take this angular load and handle the coaches. This was one of the implementations. Now you see, we started with the middle photo is what this swivel head was supposed to look like. This is the working. From the normal body stand, this was changed to this. But after this was implemented, we found there are more challenges. For example, there are brackets near jackpot location which is not in the drawings. So what do? We modify again this swivel head. Then there are some square brackets now to bypass these brackets. Once we do that, we realize because the length of the trains and coaches are varying, we will have to do it both the sides, not just one. Using the brackets, which are all boggy center variation was this. You see boggy center, the jackpot you can see and the body stand you can see. So to incorporate again, to mitigate this, we again had to remodify the body stands, had to, boggy centers are varying. So at one corner you are totally at one end and at the other end of the train you are at the other end. So a very simple task like people doing the trial. This is one of the solutions that we have already been proposing to the stakeholders, including railway board and the team. That instead of going for the standard pit jacks, they can go for the adjustable type pit jack. The advantage of these kind of system, they can handle multiple rolling stock with multiple jackpot locations at once. So the same system can be used to handle LHB also, train 18 also, ICF coaches also. So instead of having 3 depots for 3 different types of rolling stock, you can have a very brief insight. You see centralized procurement has already increased from 14 to 44%. So we propose to stakeholders, why not these equipments, because these are cost incentive equipment, why can't they be centralized? But zonal railways are struggling with this specification making. Most of the team is not aware of the challenges that is there with the Vande Bharat manufacturing often here. And then just a pit jacks and screws and some motors. Or it can be any other equipment, but it's never just to be, not just a tool. It's much more complicated than that.